Alright, so what we have, we got an MN7. We're going to check gas pressure on it and see if we can adjust it. Check the incoming pressure. We're on propane. So check the incoming pressure first. Just out here in a service call, I noticed a little soot. So I want to make sure burning clean. Okay, I got almost 11 inches coming in. I'll set this thing in. We'll set it in checkout mode. We'll check two pressures. We'll check the low and the high. Hold on to it for 10 seconds.
Enough.
So it should be 2.2, 5, 8, and 11. Alright, I'm at 1.3. So we're going to come in here. We took our little white knob off there. We're going to click slowly. Not fast, slow. Gonna be at 2.2. The high, so we got 5 minutes. Seriously? Let me go check and make sure it's in high stage. This thing's way out of adjustment. I'm running 4 inches in high stage. gas valve. That was interesting. So we installed this furnace back maybe 2-3 years ago, I think 2 years ago, and I don't think I came out on this one to actually put the kit in or adjust it. But one thing I did notice is the jumper or something, because right next to that potentiometer where you adjust the gas pressure, and there's, when you do the LP kit, there's a little sticker you put over the jumper port. Well, I peeled that sticker back and I don't see the jumper. I don't even see any pins in there. So I'm very confused on what happened to this thing. I am going to order a new gas valve, new propane kit, and burners for this one. It's warranty. Just sucks. I don't know if this thing's ever been done right, or somehow when they installed it they damaged the valve. I don't know. But on first stage I was running under 2 inches. I think it was 1.32. Look at the video, I don't know. And then it went into high and I couldn't even get it above 6.2. And I'm supposed to be at 11. When I come back, I'm going to have to adjust the gas pressure coming from the tank to 13, and then I'm also going to have to new gas valve, new burners. It's just a pain in the ass because I'm going to have when they installed it, they didn't do a 2-piece exhaust, so I'm going to have to cut the exhaust to get the burners out. Just a royal pain. So yeah, all I wanted to do is replace the inducer motor, and then I seen soot and I'm like, oh, I gotta look into this or I'm gonna be back out here in the middle of winter. I don't want that. So I will catch you on the next one when we do the repair. But some of the things you gotta look for on propane. Propane is just nasty, tears up furnaces. They need maintenance on a yearly basis, these propane furnaces, and she's not doing it. You know, you can only tell them until you're blue in the face you got to do maintenance, but if they forget about it or don't listen, or she doesn't want to pay for it, there's nothing I can do. Oh, we're off to another modulating furnace. So we will go from there, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.